Hey dolls, it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today with a quick little natural hair hack. I want to show you guys with the clip and bang. This is the Freetress Equal Apple Clip and Bang. I purchased this for $5 at divatress.com. Of course, purchase links will be in the description box. If you're interested in the hair that I'm wearing right now, it's going to be Sensational Zarina. But this is Miss Apple Bang. I have in a color 1B. Y'all, let me tell you, these clip and bangs come in handy when you are in between wash days. Your curls ain't popping like they used to because you got to wash your hair and, you know, you're just going through it and you just really don't feel like doing anything with your hair. But y'all can see Miss Arena is still going strong. I've been wearing Arena off and on for about, I want to say about 2 weeks now, and she's still popping, y'all. So this wig does last. And I will leave the initial review up in the card link up above. So make sure you click on that card. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 2 different ways you can wear this clip and bang. You can do it with a nice little knitted cap or even a head wrap. And I'm going to show you that in the next clip. So this has a total of 3 combs, 2 combs at the bottom and then a comb at the top. This is very comfortable to wear. You don't have to leave any of your hair out. The bang is nice and full. So whether you do a head wrap or the knitted cap, you definitely will not see any of your hair. But I did go ahead and just prep my edges just in case. You know, you can kind of see from the sides. So like I said, the bang is nice and full. It has like a light yaki texture to it, so it's really, really natural looking. And I highly doubt anybody's going to be clocking you while you're wearing your head wrap or your knitted cap with her. You can even wear a turban with this as well. But yeah, this is my little natural hair hack because I am in between washes and my curls ain't popping. And I don't wear wigs all the time, so yeah, and excuse that little line of demarcation where my makeup was. I had that frontal wig on and a couple other wigs on, so excuse that little line of demarcation. But anyway, y'all see this is an instant hairdo, okay? Look how cute that is. And I haven't even added the my little knitted cap or my head wrap to it. Look how cute that is, and look how full this bang is. You cannot tell me that this is not popping. I love the curls on this bang. It's really, really cute. And so yeah, let me know what you think about this little natural hair hack. Of course, share this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn your notification bells on, dolls, and I will come at you guys later with another review. Bye.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she no they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy and reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know for do, I'ma go talk am. Baby, you're welcome. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling